The following product snapshot will demonstrate the power of doForms and Brother mobile printing. doForms is integrated with the Brother API, which makes it easy to connect to the printer via Bluetooth, add a print button to your form, and print out of the box. The great thing about doForms is that you don't need to create a printable version of your form. Your doForm will automatically render itself to an 8x11 piece of paper, no matter what size device your form is being filled out on. So even if your form is being used on a small device, in the field, when it is printed, it will be reformatted to fit on an 8x11 page. So without any effort needed short of adding a print button to your form, you can be fully functional in minutes. You can use a printer out in the field to print receipts, purchase orders, surveys, or any other form that you'd like. Let's show you how it works. The first thing I'm going to show you is an invoice form with a print button. As you can see on the left-hand side of my screen, I have the doForms mobile app open to an invoice that I have previously filled out. So let's say I was in the field and I wanted to give the customer a copy of this invoice. Instead of needing to drive all the way back to my office to fax it to them or to email it to them, I could just click the print button and print it right in the field using the Brother Pocket Jet printer. Once I click the print button, you will see a message appear that says the print has started, and once the data gets sent over to the printer, it will print for me in real time. Watch. You'll also notice on the screen some status updates as the process continues. So currently it is preparing the connection to the printer. The connection has been made and now it is sending the data. So now you will see on the right-hand side, the page is actually printing. Once the print is complete, you will have a completed print message as well as the battery level of the printer. So once the print is done, you will see a final result that looks just like the form that you had filled out on your mobile. Even if these fields had been panned left to right for more screen size, the form would have automatically readjusted itself in order to print by this 8x11 page. Printing from the field has never been so easy before. Using doForms and Brother, anything is possible.